Hello there, welcome back with our new lesson 3.4, volume and area. We'll talk first about the volume. A common unit for volume is the liter with its symbol capital L. There is another unit to measure volume. Look at this figure here. We have the cubic meter or the cubic centimeter, milliliter, millimeter cubed. And this figure shows to you how to change from one unit to the other. Also here, if we want to change from a large unit to a small unit, we should multiply. But if you are changing from small unit to a large unit, you should divide. And every step here, the factor for dividing or multiplying is 1000. Notice that 1 cubic centimeter is the same as 1 milliliter. Again, notice here that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. So if you have 5 cubic centimeters, it is the same as 5 milliliters. Try to remember this figure, this order of these units. You will find it easy to convert between any volume unit and the other. Let us do some examples on that. Change. Example 1. 5 liters. We want to change them to milliliters. We need to multiply by 1000. So it would be 5000 milliliters. Remember the table with me. Meter cube, liters, centimeter cube equal to milliliter, and finally millimeter cube. And every step is by 1000 to multiply or divide. Example 2. 87 cubic meters is equal to how many cubic centimeters? Well, we have 2 steps here to do it, to change from cube meter to cube centimeter. So we should multiply by 1 million. And our answer is going to be 87 millions cubic centimeters. Example 3. Change 9,723 and a half milliliters to liters. To change from small unit to a large unit, we should divide. It is only one step, so we will divide by 1000. Our decimal will move to the left 3 digits. So our answer is going to be 9 and 7,235 10,000th liters. Example 4. 35 milliliters, change it to centimeter cube. As you can see in the table, they are the same. So your answer should be the same number, 35 cubic centimeters. Last example on volumes. 9 cubic meters is equal to how many liters? To change from cubic meters to liters, it's clear that you want to multiply by 1000. So it is 9,000 liters. Now let us go to find out how to change between area units. A common unit of area in the metric system is the square meter and its symbol m to power 2. Any squared length unit tells us that it is an area unit, and every cubed length unit tells us that it is a volume unit. To change between area units, we need also to remember the prefix table. Let us remember it together. Kilometers, hectometers, decameters, meters, decimeters, centimeters, millimeters. If you remember, we said that if we change from large unit to a small unit, we should multiply, and if we change from small unit to large unit, we should divide. And the factor which we are dividing or multiplying with was 10 for every step between these units in front of you. But now we have area units. We have square kilometers, square hectometers, square decameters, square meters, square decimeters, square centimeters, square millimeters. So what about the factor? Also, it will be 10 square. So if you want to change from a unit to another, every one step you should multiply or divide by 100 between the area units. So let us do it with these examples. Change. First, 3 square centimeters, 2 square millimeters. To change from centimeters to millimeters, so we are going down. It is only one step, so we should multiply by 100 for every one step. So the answer is going to be 300 square millimeters. Example 2. We have 20 square meters. Change it to square centimeters. Also, we are going down from square meters to square centimeters. But by this we are jumping 2 steps. So we will multiply by 100, again by 100. So we should multiply by 10,000. So your answer is going to be 200,000 square centimeters. Example 3. Change 34,000 square meters to squared kilometer. Now we are going up to 3 steps. So we should divide now by 103 times. So we should divide by 1 million. And our answer is going to be 34,000 squared kilometers. I think it's easy and clear how to do it. By this, we reach the end of our lesson.